After joining the breakout room, when no one has started to talk yet, all participants will see the option to take mic. Suppose Abby clicks this button to take the mic. This action will turn on Abby's microphone and her video feed is bordered with green color and an icon appears next to her video feed to signal that she has the mic. Notice that as soon as Abby took the mic, you don't have the option to take mic anymore. Instead, you can now either chime in or go next. Suppose James has clicked the button to go next and so his video feed is bordered in orange and has the same icon as go next button along with the number 1. Here 1 indicates that he will be the first person to receive the mic after Abby passes it. Let's assume that you are Marcos and you want to go next too. So you click on the go next button. As soon as you click the Go Next button, your video feed is colored orange and the number 2 appears indicating that you are second in line to get the mic after Abby. You are placed second in line to talk because you pressed the button to go next after James. You can also see this information in the notifications tab that we have here. Notice that the Go Next button is in a pressed state. If you want to withdraw yourself from the talking queue, you will press this button again. Now suppose instead of going next, you want to chime in. To do so, you will press and hold down the chime in button while talking. This will turn on your microphone and as soon as you release the button, your microphone will be turned off. In order to ensure that our users know this, we decided to have this floating message that will appear when chime in button is pressed and will disappear after a while. Also notice that to signal that you are now chiming in, your video feed is now colored in purple and has the same icon as chime in button. Now, in another scenario, when you take the mic to talk, you will see that you no longer have the button to take mic. Instead, you now have the buttons to pass the mic and block or allow interruptions. If you block interruption, other participants will no longer see the option to chime in and an icon will appear next to your video feed signaling that you have blocked the chime in option. If you want to allow the participants to chime in again, you will simply press this button to do so. This area here is the notebook space. You will be able to see the pages of the notebook as tabs. You can add page by clicking this button and you can also see who created the page. These icons with the participants' initials indicates that these participants are currently on this page of the notebook. When participants first enter the breakout room, they will see the pages that were created and shared by the instructor. Now, if you click the Add Page button, you will see these options where you can open an URL as a notebook page, create a text file, or create a whiteboard. If you click on Open URL button, you will see this panel where you can paste the URL and add it. Note that if this is a URL for Google Doc and you create a page using this link, it will open up as a notebook page like this and function just the way as it would in a browser, meaning all participants can collaboratively work on this document from within the conferencing application. Creating a text file will allow the participants to write on it, and creating a whiteboard will allow the participants to draw on it. If you want to turn off your camera and stream avatar instead, you can click on this button and everyone will see your avatar and not your camera feed. An alternate way to allow users to enable avatar streaming can be to add this yes button along with the message that pops up when the connection is unstable.